Hello, you're most welcome. This time we're going to be developing an intro to a mobile application. So this is the intro you're going to be having to develop, and you can have this. Yes, I have created a main.dat file with a main function, my app, that is connecting to landing page.dat file. Landing page.dat file, I'm returning a scaffold, and my body is going to be a page view, which will work for the swipeable, and its children are going to be the intro page 1, 2, and intro page 3 class. So let me create the intro screens folder where I'm going to be putting all these intro pages. So intro page 1.dat, intro page 2.dat, intro page 3.dat. I'm going to be using stateless widgets for now for all these intro pages, and intro page 2, import flutter material.dat, material flutter.dat. So import flutter material.dat also for intro page 1. I have created a main.dat file with a main function, my app, that is connecting to landing page.dat file. Landing page.dat file, I'm returning a scaffold, and my body is going to be a page view, which will work for the swipeable, and its children are going to be the intro page 1, 2, and intro page 3 class. So let me create the intro screens folder where I'm going to be putting all these intro pages. So intro page 1.dat, intro page 2.dat, intro page 3.dat. I'm going to be using stateless widgets for now for all these intro pages, and intro page 2, import flutter material.dat, material flutter.dat. So import flutter material.dat also for intro page 1. On top, our controller want to jump to the last page, which is 2, because they range from 0 to 2. And then when we click on next, we want the controller to go to the next page. So this takes in duration. We can use milliseconds. I'm going to take 400 for now. And the curve type, the way you want it to go to the next page. Mine is in SAC, so you can use yours. Yes, I think this works perfectly. Then also we want that if we are on the last page, the next button should change to done. So let's declare a boolean to change the next button to done. Okay, I think on last page, let me assign it to false. So now I'm going to check. In the page view controller, there is a method which is on page changed. So it takes in a value. I can take it as my index. This will help me to check if I'm on the last page. So set state. Am I on the last page? On the last page, I can assign it to index and give it position 2. We said 2 is our last page. So now we can ask, are we on the last page? If yes, then the next should change to done. If not, next button should stay as next. So this is how we can do that if statement. I think I can change this to it's the upper one. Change it to done and see. Yes, it works. But also if I click done, I want to change to navigate to the main page of the application. So I use navigator.push material page route. This is the way we navigate between two pages. Context, and we can have a return statement. I'm going to name my page main page. Yes, let me name the main page.dat file, and I'm going to make it a stateless widget for now. And yeah, so I think we can make it a scaffold so that we have a white page. Let's import it. After importing all Lottie files in the pubspec.yaml, you can go to the Lottie files website, and then you download a JSON format of whatever you search. And then I'm going to create an assets folder. This is where I'm going to be keeping all my JSON files. You can also link directly to the file from the Lottie website. You will see when you click on the file how you can navigate around with it. Yes, so after making my file and realizing that my files are there, I activate the assets. Make sure that you have 2 spaces from the start to assets, and everything will be all right. So let me sync my files, and then I think I can try to bring the Lottie. So my child will be Lottie.asset. It has asset attribute assets, and try heart1.json. So if I run this, yes, the heart appears, so that's good. Now we are going to navigate around it. I can wrap this into a list view because I want to have text below this, so I'm going to have a list view, and I can store it in square brackets. That's how list view children are. So inside here, I'm going to define a height, make this a bit big and width, and then fit. I think boxfit.cover will work. Yes, it's pretty good. My text, and put any text that you want. Medical assistant. Size box, let me give it 20 of height and see. Okay, my style, to style the word a bit, I'm going to give it font weight, I think bold, and then font size 18, but font size I'm going to give it 20. Let me see if I can let me see how it is going to look like. Okay, oh, it seems to overlap. Let me put this into a center widget, my text, wrap it with a center widget. Yes, seems to overlap. I think it is the cover attribute. Box fill seems to work pretty well. That is over like so. I'll come back to that. Let me see. Let me go with this. So we can replicate this on other intro pages. We can copy it and then take it to intro page 2, and here we're just going to change the asset and then any wording that you want. So the asset for this, I think I can use pregnant2 or pregnant2.json. Yes. Let me check it out. Oh, no. I think for this we are supposed to use Dr. 3. Yes, because based on the background, Dr. 3 seems, yes, pretty works well. I don't like the oval shape, so let me try other attributes. Contain, yeah, works good. I think contain is okay. You can play around with those things, of course, height and width, and see what best suits you. Yeah, so I think we shall use the other asset JSON file on intro page 3. Let me try. Why is this error? There's an error here. Okay, yeah, I think it is now solved. So intro page 3, we are going to use pregnant2. Yes, so don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comment in the description.